Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by setting clean levels. Adjust preamp and input gain until peaks avoid clipping and average around -6 dB RMS. Then solo the track and use a narrow Q sweep to find harsh or muddy spots. Mark them. While doing that, define your tonal goal. Do you want clarity, warmth, or presence? Once done, note the target frequency ranges you'll emphasize or cut. This roadmap guides each EQ move and keeps compression choices consistent. You now perform surgical EQ. Remove the problem bands you identified with a narrow Q. Use reductions of -3 to -8 dB to clear space without altering tone excessively. Next, add broad boosts of +1 to +4 dB to enhance desired character. Once the tone sits right, route into compression. Start with a 2:1:4:1 ratio, attack around 1030 ms to keep transients, and release 50-200 ms to breathe. Make sure threshold yields 3.6 dB gain reduction for musical control. You finish by balancing output. Apply makeup gain and a /B against the bypass signal to ensure tonal and level parity. Then listen in song context and automate EQ or compression for dynamic sections. Boost or reduce as instruments change. If you hear unwanted pumping or unnatural artifacts, ease the compressor attack or lengthen release times, or lower ratio/raise threshold to reduce overcompression. Finally, trust your ears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.